Welcome to my latest video. In this tutorial I will be sharing some essential shortcuts that are incredibly beneficial for beginners diving into Blender. To initiate a new mesh, simply use Shift-A on your keyboard. When you're ready to enter edit mode, hit the Tab key or alternatively access it manually from the top left corner. Within edit mode, swiftly switch between Vertex 1 Edge 2 and Face 3 selection modes by pressing Tab. For creating edge loops, employ Ctrl-R, which exclusively operates within edit mode. Increase loop count effortlessly by scrolling with your mouse wheel. Another handy shortcut is Ctrl-B for executing bevels. Activate X-ray mode swiftly using Alt-Z to perform comprehensive transformations. Press Ctrl. Adjust your view angle promptly by utilizing the key or numeric keys 1, 2, and 3 for front, back, and side perspectives respectively. Merging vertices is simplified with the M key, while selecting tools is a breeze with P. Embrace the fundamental shortcuts: R for rotation, S for scaling, G for grabbing moving, E for extruding, and X for deletion. I trust you find these tips valuable. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content.